Welcome to the booth of the Department of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences for the University of Alberta 2020 Open House. We're a diverse department with offerings in science and arts. We have science programs that include geology, environmental geoscience, paleontology, and in planning. We have an arts program in human geography. This open house is an opportunity for you to find out a little bit about these programs, and we have presentations that are associated with these programs in two booths. One booth focuses on the physical science parts of the program. That would be geology, environmental geoscience, and paleontology. And another booth focuses on planning and human geography. In both booths, you'll find valuable information about these programs, some information about how to apply for these programs and what expectations within these programs are. And you'll find out a little bit about the views of alumni and some potential ideas for careers in these fields. There's also several links to other online materials and also reference made to advisors of programs or people that you might contact for information. Feel free to contact those people or use those links. And if you have any questions after you're done exploring our booth, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much. This is Professor Murray Gingras, the University of Alberta.